In this tutorial, we're going to go through our download options data in less than 75 seconds. As per usual, we're going to start off by importing our packages, those being YFinance and pandas. To run that, we're going to get a new line, and we're going to go ticker equals yf.Ticker, and we can put in quotes whatever ticker that we're going to need. Here we're going to use UPRO. Next, we're going to set our date, and what we're going to do here is ticker.options, and we're going to index 0, which would be the most recent chain, and that's going to be 1227. So ticker.options underscore chain, and then we can do date and then puts at the end. Run this, and this will give us our chain. You can see in right here, we get 1227, and we can also see P next to it. Now, if we want to swap over to the call side, we can do calls, run in the code just as is, and you can now see we're on the call side. Same expiration on C. If we want to go to the next chain after 1227, change it to a 1, and that'll give us the calls expiring January 3rd. And if we want to get the ones a week later for Jan 10, once again, change to 2, and there are your 110 options.